It's your pre-market summary for September 6, 2022 from TraderTV.Live. We will be live at 8:30 every single morning. A lot to cover as the market is looking to try to reverse a bit of a losing streak that we saw in last week. You see the S&P, Dow, and NASDAQ all up slightly less than 1%. There is a slight downward trend in crude oil. This after OPEC had decided they want to reverse course on their 100,000 barrel move last month. Ethereum is up 5%, doing well in the crypto space over the weekend. Bitcoin only up 1%. In individual names, unfortunately, there was the death of the CFO of Bed Bath & Beyond, sending shares down 14%. It has been ruled a suicide. And of course, we also know that Mr. Arnold and the company, Gustavo Arnold, the CFO, were being investigated, in fact, being sued over potential fraud. So that is weighing on shares of Bed Bath & Beyond. It is not all to the downside, as we do watch shares of NVDA and AMD both trading slightly to the upside this morning, after the U.S. government is going to be detailing the implementation of their 50 billion chips program. So that news hitting across the wire, the details bringing both shares up, watching some Intel, of course, as well as Micron. Tomorrow we get Apple's far out iPhone 14 event. That kicks off at about 1 p.m. in tomorrow's trade. Today, there is news that they are cutting into the juggernauts of Amazon, Google, and Facebook when it comes to online advertising. They're at a 15% share, and they have been gaining since their iOS change. They also, in addition to that, we do see that Apple event with some good features and new features expected, bigger screen for that iPhone. Tesla shares on Friday were down 2.27% and actually led the entire market in not percent change, but turnover of shares. 10 million shares in turnover, and today they're up slightly after getting an upgrade from Wolf Capital. There are some small caps on the move here. One, HYRE announcing that they got a $100 million revolving line of credit from Premier Global. They are trading up significantly in the pre-market, up about 55%. They have a 19 million float and a 10% short interest. These names and a heck of a lot of others on the move here. We'll be back live at 8:30 to trade the markets, give you all the goods, and of course, check out our free watch list. Scan the QR code below for these names and more.